ButterKit includes MCP support, so you can use AI agents and IDEs like Cursor to automate your designs, localize to dozens of languages, and even publish to App Store Connect, all in seconds using natural language. To get started, just open up ButterKit settings and click the AI Agents MCP tab. Then enable the MCP server. Next, scroll down to the configuration section and copy the helper binary path. Now let's set up Cursor. Open Settings, Cursor Settings, then select the Tools and MCP tab. Let's add a new MCP server. Now we can edit the JSON file or just ask an AI agent to add our new connection for us. Paste in the helper binary path from earlier. And it's added. Make sure the file is saved. Back in Cursor settings, we can see the new ButterKit MCP server is connected, and Cursor can see the available tools. When AI agents are connected to ButterKit, you'll see their status in ButterKit settings. Additionally, it's recommended to set an agent import folder to allow explicit file access for your AI agents and avoid running into Mac OS sandbox limitations. Now let's test it out in Cursor. Ask if the AI agent can see the ButterKit MCP connection. Looks good. Now let's put Cursor to work. In ButterKit, I can see our agent taking actions for us. Obviously, this is just scratching the surface. You can automate tasks, manage screenshots, publish to App Store Connect, integrate into deployment pipelines, and much more.